we're here at Baxter Finley in West Hollywood, and we're here with Andrew Phillips. What do you do? Where are you from?
I'm actually an actor, model here in town, originally from San Diego.
So today what we're going to be doing to Andrew Phillips' hair is his hair's a little bit lengthier on the sides. I love his length. It looks amazing. But what we're going to do is we're going to do a scissor cut as opposed to using clippers. I'm going to trim it down on the sides, and I'm going to taper the back up a little bit. And the back's going to look natural, but it's also going to be tapered, but with a scissor effect to it. So let's get down to the get down. So here we have it. This is the 2012 wedge. What's awesome about this haircut is it's a medium length style on the sides, a little bit short as well on the bottom. And in the back, it's not too fresh and clean. It's kind of a grown out taper, but at the same time, the top has a lot of length, and it's all about options. So you have the medium length hair on top, and you know, it's kind of swiveled to the right, a little disheveled look as well. What's good about having medium length hair on top is you could do a bunch of styles to it. So here you have it. How do you like that, Andrew?
I think it's amazing, man. Super pleased. The ability to have multiple hairstyles come from a cut like this. Super stoked about it. It's going to really help me with my shoots and you know, having it styled in various ways.
And there you have it.
Daniel, you're the man.
You're the man. Thank you very much.
Unbelievable. You're welcome. It's a pleasure being here.